Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another delicious dinner recipe, Fresh Nile perch recipe, step-by-step tutorial for beginners. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. Check out my other videos that are on my channel. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. I have these 4 pieces of fish here that I already prepared, removed the scales and removed the intestines. So now this is how they look. Now the next step, I'm going to cut them into 2 pieces each, right here in the middle. I want to go ahead and rinse them up second time. Now they're super clean. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and light this fire here. On this plate over here, I have 2 small grated carrots, and then I have 1 medium-sized chopped red onion. I'm going to add my pot to this fire, some cooking oil, chopped onions, mix it up, and then I'll fry my onions to golden brown. My grated carrots in now that my onions are golden brown. And then for seasoning, I have my ground pilau masala here. This is a mixture of cumin seeds, black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. And then I have this beef flavor seasoning. I'm going to add this beef flavor seasoning in first. This is the quantity. I add it in some of my pilau masala here. I feel like this quantity is just enough. I'll mix it up, and then I'll let my carrots absorb it a little. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, now this is how my carrots look. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some water in. Now I'm going to have to bring this water to a boil. Let me cover it up. Now it's the right time to add in my fish. I'll start with the heads. I'll go ahead and cover it up. I'm almost forgetting salt. This fish is now ready. I prepared my karai. Now I'm going to go ahead and add water. I'm going to break in some of this leftover ugali. Now I'll bring it to a boil. Now that this water for ugali is ready, I'll go ahead and add my flour in. Maize flour. Bit by bit as I mix it up. My ugali is just ready. I'll round it up. I'll just go ahead and remove it. Actually, I feel like it's just in a good shape, so I don't see the need of making another shape for it. Moving on to the taste test. The salt is perfect. The fish is properly cooked. Let me drink a little soup. The seasoning in this is just perfect. The soup tells it all. Another perfect combo. Check out my other videos that are up on my channel, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my uploads. You can check me out on TikTok. I'm at Anguo Sharon. I post both air tutorials and cooking tutorials, and then you can check me out on Facebook at Sharon Awura Ngugo and at Beyond Aroma of Kenya. Thanks for watching again, and see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.